my channel, and today we're going to the farm, and we'll see you guys.
Get it off, he might poop on my head. Take him. Oh, he's back. He's hungry. If he like this on me, he wants some. I'll get them for you. Yo. Look, they're eating. Don't be scared. He's eating. He's hungry. He not sharing, and he wants some, and he's not being nice, King. Look, he wants some foodie, and where's the other stick? And he's not being nice, right?
Lovebirds feed each other.
Oh, so they give each other food?
This is like a powder of steak.
What's up, guys? Today we're at the farm. If this is your first time here on this vlog, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell. You gotta watch till the end. Our day at the farm goes wild, so make sure you guys keep it locked, subscribe, and stay tuned. Is this
Hi.
Yeah, you're the middle bear, and he's
There's a turtle! There's a turtle!
looking there up there. You like taking it?